My autobiography about me, Rosadelia Tobo. My life. My name is Rosadelia Tobo. I was born on October 9th in 1973 in the city of Bogota. My childhood was spent in my hometown. I was a happy, calm, and judicious girl. I like it to play basketball, volleyball, dance, and play games, dolls with my friends. My hometown life in city was beautiful because at the time there were parks in the neighborhoods. I went to movie theaters, to museum parks. There were no dangers like there are now. It was quieter and safe. I studied my elementary school at New York School College, high school at Maria Auxiliadora School, where I graduated with honors. And a year ago, I graduated as a normalista superior. She was very judicious and responsible student. I liked to study. Since I was child, I have liked to study. I love to learn new things every day. I finished my high school in 1990 and as a professional in agronomy in 2016. And now I am studying a bachelor's degree in primary basic education in Universidad Pedagógica Tecnológica de Colombia. I am very proud to be able to study despite my advanced age. The most beautiful memory of my childhood was the trip that my parents gave me to the United States. I was 12 years old on an excursion with my classmates. It was a wonderful, beautiful, and unforgettable trip. My family. My family is very important by me. I was born in a family consisting of five children, two men and three women. I am the youngest in the family. I lived with them until I was 17 when I met my husband today. When I was a child, I enjoyed being with my family because we were close, happy, we had fun all the walks we did. I rarely argued with my brothers. I got married 30 years ago. I am happily married. I am the mother of three beautiful children, two women and a man. My husband studied mathematics and is a teacher at a school in Puente Nacional, Santander. We have been happy all this time. We love to share with our children. They are very wise. The two oldest children are engineers, and the youngest girl studies at the school in eighth grade. Lina Maria, the eldest daughter, married and has a beautiful baby. That is our grandson, named Felipe. Um, Important moments in my life. One of the most important moments in my life have been being the mother of my three children. In addition to the marriage with my husband, the educational success of the family, the moments of happiness when we travel to various places in Colombia. We know Cartagena, Santa Marta, Barranquilla, Ráquira, Paipa, and many more. We enjoy, eat, play, and have fun as family. When we celebrate birthdays as a family, and celebrate the life that God gave us. Thanks.